Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am bringing you a very special video, one that I always do with my new smartphones, and that is any flagship that I buy, I put a glass screen protector on it, and I always choose Whitestone dome glass. They do not sponsor my videos, but I swear by them just because I've gotten so many cheap screen protectors. I tried to get one for my Pixel 4a the other day, and it immediately came off 2 days later. Like, there are a lot of cheap glass screen protectors. This one is a little more on the pricey side, but I still have it on my S20 Plus for the entire year. No issues with it. All cases fit with it. So I definitely do recommend it every time. So this is going to be the one for the Note 20 Ultra. You can get the same one for the Note 20. And this year they actually came up with something else, and that is a screen protector for your camera. And this is really important on this camera because there's been a lot of reports of it breaking since it is a older Gorilla Glass. It's not the latest and greatest. So because it does have a hump, if you are taking it without a case, you definitely need it. But even if you have a case, it's maybe not a bad idea to get one just in case. And so we're gonna rock it and try it both on. And so yeah, let me go ahead and install, and then we're going to check the fingerprint scanner, because that is the best thing about this one, is that normally when you put another glass screen protector on this phone, you have a little hole punch where you can put your finger scanning in, and with this one it just works through the glass. It's a patent that they have, that's why no other screen protector really has it. So that is why it does very well. So let's go ahead and put it on. Alright guys, so now I have it all set up and installed. You can see it is a little bit lower than I thought, at least. Maybe I should have put it a little bit higher. Try to follow the instructions as best as possible, but I do love that it's just right before that curve. Hopefully you can't see it, but right before the curve, that's where it goes. So I do like that. That means you can put any case on it and it won't get messed up, which is obviously very important. I also installed the glass one on the back. So that one is protected. That one's harder to see, but it is on there. That one was a standard installation. This one was the UV. By the way, fun fact, this UV you can actually use to sanitize your phone. So that's really cool. Okay. And now let's see how this works. My left finger always has so much better recognition than my right. I don't know why, but it just always seems to work a lot better. As you can see, you can use it with it. I might need to redo my right finger. I try to always do it sideways and then also do it from the bottom. But yeah, my right finger is having issues. It eventually gets it, but that's just Samsung's way. Make sure, however, you do two things, and that is in display, you make sure you use touchscreen sensitivity turned on. And I recommend doing 2 fingers for each one, my super secret password. So 2 fingers for each one so that hopefully it will be able to check. And again, just my right finger has some issues. I'll redo that one. But this one's actually finger 1 and 2. So, but this one seems to be doing better overall in comparison to it. So just kind of play around with it, get the right angles. My left finger always pretty much does it, but my right finger is just kind of an issue. Overall though, I really like this because I don't have no circle in the middle of it. It's just there, so really like that part of it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is, again, my most recommended accessory for all my phones. I always have this one on there. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you those for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.